3, 2, 1, go. Shoot! Go. Shoot! Ooh! Ooh! Very heavy. A heavy attacker. Cobalt Drake. But yeah, Viper Tail is going out of spin. Oops! Who will win? Okay, Cobalt Drake wins for that. But yeah, it's just a list of second. Go. Shoot! Cobalt Drake, let's go. Shoot! Ooh! 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 Okay. Let's see. Oh! It's a pocket, man. Still, Cobalt Drake wins for that. Now, let's see if Cobalt Drake goes first and then our Viper Tail next. Okay, because yeah, it's a handicap. But yeah, let's see. Let's try having this